Brian, and this is the unboxing of the City Police close quarter battle.
And I'm his friend, Connor Burke, here to witness it.
Here we
And
go.
cameraman.
Ooh. Isn't that just beautiful? I don't even know
Show
how
it there,
you
Abe.
load this. How do I
Go
load
on,
this?
show it off.
This is my gun.
Hold it there, hold on.
Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh man, look at that now.
Smashing.
Oh. And then I
It
pop
is.
it open there.
Smashing.
Pop it open.
Oh yeah.
Get one of my bullets.
Let's go outside, we'll do some target practice.
Okay, can you put that in the bin, please? I think I'll put one of these.
No bin, thanks.
Yeah, come on, let's go, we'll do some target practice.
Oh, it's over there.
Huh?
We're going out to come on, Abe, let's go do some target practice outside, let's go.
Okay. Is that good? Okay. Let's put my custard somewhere.
Here, I'll take it.
Ready to serve?
Look.
Ready to serve?
Product placement.
No.
Product placement, Abe.
On the finger.
Buy that bread. It's the best bread. And
Yeah, look at that. Birds
so we're here in Tiptown today,
playing.
playing rugby and go to bed.
Are you gonna shoot that bin, Abe, okay?
Let's get some of the bullets out.
Shoot the bin.
Hey, got a BB gun. Yeah.
That's my custard.
Hey, that must
Yeah. It's too young.
the BB gun.
Yeah. Shoot it into the bin.
Okay.
Or else shoot Jack.
You ready?
Wait till the
One won't shoot. We need like loads of them.
Where'd it go?
Abe,
My son.
Abe, shoot the cigarette thing.
No, I'm gonna shoot someone. Oh, Jack.
Shoot Harry.
Did it shoot?
It came out. It like fell on the floor.
Okay. Okay, test two.
Okay. Shoot Jack's
Oh,
ball.
yeah. Oh yeah, I'll put two in.
Shoot Jack right in the ball.
Put two in.
Yeah, it
Oh,
didn't
you
explode
baller.
here. It's Abe's ready-made custard.
Don't open him.
This is Hugh.
He's the coolest guy in our student party, guys.
Right. Shoot my ball.
No!
Hey, you have to put in a load. It only works for like loads.
Go on, load that up, Abe. Here, I'll hold it.
You gotta put in like 10 of them.
We're putting this on YouTube now. Okay. So,
Hey. Yes. That'll be enough.
No.
Why not?
No, just no.
Come on, you lift me up onto the locker.
okay.
Excuse me, guys.
Don't give me any. In the balls.
Abe.
Oh!
Hey.
Oh!
It's like Call of Duty. Look from here. Right, so Abe, do you want to tell everyone? You're gonna subscribe, yeah?
Yeah.